Hi everybody, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. I just wanted to show you what, I've been doing the MiniVerse Make It Mini Food. I just wanted to show you what the display box looks like. This is for the MiniVerse, the Cafe series, and it's series 3. And this is what the little capsules look like, and it will say cafe on here somewhere. And then there'll be a diner series, and the diner series is about this size, and it will have a little table with it. Now here are the Valentine's Day specials. I've already did the little candy box and the little cookies, and these shows you what's inside the capsule right there. See the cake? There'll be a cake, a heart cake, the cookies, and the little chocolate box. But there'll be a mystery. Only so many made of the roses. And I've heard that the roses are hidden in a cake capsule. So I just wanted to open these real quick. I'm not going to open them on camera, but I will be filming how to make whatever I open. And some of the displays, these little things won't be on there. Either people's taking them or something, but there'll be no resin in it. It's just that. But there won't be any resin that you can make it with. Oh, and on the box, oops, it will show what you can make in this series right here. I've done made the pickles. I made one of them last night. I didn't film it. I've made the cookies. I have a capsule of those to make. And I've made the bear pops and the s'mores. So, and the chicken soup. Now, I don't know that video will be coming up or if my son's going to have it uploaded already real soon. Ain't that so cute? But I thought we'd make some chicken soup. It is the MiniVerse Make It. It's the 3. And it's the cafe, not the diner. And the soup right there is what we're going to make. And on the back, it shows you how to do it. Remember, we're working with resin, so this is not for small kids. And it's best to wear some gloves and eye protection and stuff. I've been working with resin for a long time. And if you happen to get resin on you or on your work surface, immediately wipe it up and clean it up with rubbing alcohol or hand sanitizer. We got some little pasta noodles. We got our little bowl. And it's always going to come with some tongs. And we have some chicken. And we have our carrots, celery, and onion. And our little spoon. The guide kind of tells you what to do, but you can really kind of make it your own way. As long as it's touching the resin and you cure it good enough, it's not going to go anywhere. You know, these little packages are hard for me to open. And I think this one's glued. Oh, here we go. We about got it. So what I'm going to do, let me look at the guide one more time. Let me get the tape off of here where they have it sealed up. So let's see how this one does. Here it comes. Okay, I'm going to stop it right there, and I'm going to put some noodles in. And let's open up the little chicken. At this, I think you just pull the tab. Yep. If I can get my fingernail in between there. And that's what the chicken looks like. That's a lot. And let's put some of this in there. And I know I'm going to need some more resin. Now I think that's all the pasta and the chicken pieces that I'm going to put in here. But I may add some of the carrots and celery on top just to make it look pretty. Well, I don't know. Now, a lot of people's been doing the frozen moments, and I did that with my nachos, where you take it and have the resin freeze your spoon up in the air like that. But if I get a repeat of this one, I can do that. Let me just add some of the green and orange on top. Make it look a little pretty. Put my spoon in here. I can do my spoon like this, like we're getting a bite of it, and do it on top like that. There, I think I like it like that. Let me see if you can see it real good. You can set it out in the sunlight because it is UV resin, but it's nighttime here. I do have a flashlight that has a UV light on it, and I also have the MiniVerse oven that has a UV light in it. So right now I will get it started with this, and this needs to cure for 5 to 10 minutes or until it's very set. Now, if you're setting something real thick, don't just set and touch the top and think, oh, that's good. Well, the top might be, but the inside might not. Later on, it might start leaking. So just make sure it's cured all the way through. And one more thing, the UV resin, once it starts to cure, it will get hot. So be careful, because even touching this now, it's very hot. So just be careful with that too. Alright, and there is our chicken soup. Let me hold it up close. Like I say, I'm sorry about my camera set up and the lighting is just terrible. Ain't that just so cute? This is keeping me where I'm not up doing a lot that I'm not supposed to be. I can sit here in my room and just craft on my little table. Today I've been stocking my little mini shelves with everything, and you can see what I've been making stuff. So far the waffles are my favorite. Now the waffles came in the kit that just came with like some MiniVerse mini groceries, and so I just did that. I don't know if those come in any of the series or not, but anyway, I hope you like this, and I hope you like watching me doing it. I'm going to do one more video after this one, and it will be up next. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll have another update on my health soon. Talk to y'all later. Bye.